Let's do Jaworski's Rumba called Nature Boy. Butterfly, 2 measure weight, cucaracha left and right, here we go. Cucaracha twice. Full basic. Break back to open, go forward. Rock 3. Rock apart and slide the door. Rock apart, recover, go forward. Rock 3 to butterfly. Sidewalk 3 down the line. Fence line twice. Open, break, and whip. Half basic. Crab walk 6. Underarm turn, butterfly. Hand to hand twice. Open, break. Step through to the serpiente. Spot turn down the line. Shoulder to shoulder twice. Half basic to an underarm turn. Lady lariat. Butterfly. New Yorker to open. Man rolls across. Lady rolls across. New Yorker to the line. Full basic. Break back to open, go forward. Rock 3. Slide the door. Rock, recover, go forward. Rock 3 to butterfly. To line, sidewalk 3. Fence line twice. Half basic and whip. Half basic. Crab walk 6. Underarm turn to butterfly. Hand to hand twice. Open break. Through to the serpiente. Spot turn down the line. Butterfly. Shoulder to shoulder twice. Half basic. Underarm turn. Lady lariat. To reverse a New Yorker. Man rolls across. Lady across. New Yorker. Hip rock too slow. Back to a leg crawl and hold. Up to his ear, girl. Very nicely done. Nature Boy. All right, we need a foxtrot. Or we need a job. Do Susan's favorite job. What's it called, Susan? That's it, here it comes. Hey baby, you got what it takes. Oh.